Ideas has developed a family of trends analysis to help quantify server performance, efficiency, and pricing trends. The subject of this video is the server price trend analysis, which is powered by RPE2, the atomic unit of compute, and tracks the industry server price trend over time. For this analysis, IDEAS defines price as server performance per dollar, where performance is based on IDEA's own RPE2 performance values divided by the price of the featured server configurations. The most recent quarter's data is represented here, along with the historical quarterly outcomes going back 5 years. Each data point on the chart represents the relative price trend average for all servers tracked by IDEAS during each quarter. A rise in this average reflects an improvement in the performance per dollar, or put another way, users can expect to get more performance for every dollar spent as the average increases. This update sees the most recent quarter's outcome introduced on the right. In addition, the oldest data point from the previous update drops off the chart on the left to preserve the 20-quarter or 5-year moving window that the server price trend represents. There was no material increase in the trend this quarter over the prior quarter. In the past 12 months, there has been around a 24% increase in the trend, with a 48% increase in the past 2 years. The long-term 5-year trend line for this data is as follows. To make this easier to read, we will convert the vertical axis to a base 2 logarithmic scale. Now the trend line is represented as a straight line on this chart, and the vertical axis grid lines represent the successive doubling of the trend output from the origin of 1. Starting at 1 it doubles to 2, then 4, and so on. We can see that the trend represents an equivalent to a doubling of performance per dollar spent approximately every 7 quarters. If we now project this trend into the future, we would expect to see a doubling of the server performance per dollar from today's levels by around Q3 of 2013. However, we've also noticed a potential change in the trend that began around the beginning of 2009, when the trend average rose significantly. But since then, the rate of growth has been increasing at a slightly slower rate than the longer-term historical levels. This slower growth trend is represented on the chart by the orange line. We have seen a similar change with the server efficiency trend and are researching possible causes for both, as there are multiple reasons that could account for these changes in the trends. We look forward to future trends reports to see if this is a short-term anomaly or a long-term shift in the trends. For more details, you can go to the IDEAS Trends page of our website, www.ideasinternational.com, and select the IDEAS Trends link from the free advisory menu. It is worth remembering that this analysis provides an overview, and the technology refresh cycles and price improvements of individual product lines may vary from this market-wide viewpoint. Finally, IDEAS has many research offerings that provide more detailed insights down to individual product level to allow you to do more customized research based on your specific requirements. Details of these premium services, as well as more free advisory offerings, are available from the IDEAS website.